Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on NMR. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that NMR was testing a quite long-term support inside a very big down channel, and this was the video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it is now, after testing this support zone, bounced very well. And right now it is breaking out this long-term down channel. And on a daily time frame chart, it is also breaking out this falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for NMR that I shared a few days back on 12th of August 2023 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for NMR that I shared on 12th of August 2023. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move that NMR formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal and rallied to the sell target zone. And before that, I shared this very big harmonic bullish reversal crab move that NMR formed on a weekly time frame chart. And by the way, I shared this idea in the month of June 2022. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line has geared up from this buying zone. And here it was geared up, and we had a very, very massive pump that was, by the way, more than 400% pump, and again moved down. Then we had another pump, and now it is again gearing up. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description. I've already shared. Now let me to take you to the live chart of NMR. And this was the falling wedge pattern that I was not able to show you, by the way, in my previous video. And by the way, this falling wedge pattern was a quite clear signal that finally the price line can break this pattern very soon. And we can also break out this bigger down channel that I was showing you in my previous video as well, because the movement was quite squeezed. And the squeezing movement give us better idea when the price line is going to break the pattern. And this was the falling wedge pattern, a bullish bias pattern, and there were more chances. And at the same time, NMR was testing a quite long-term support. Therefore, I was telling you that there are more chances for the breakout, and now you can see that it has pumped very well. And right now on the weekly time frame chart, it is also breaking out this long-term down channel as well. Within 24 to 48 hours, when this weekly candlestick will be closed, then if, for example, if we will have a closing above the resistance of the channel, then this move can be continued to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the target for this falling wedge pattern breakout, that is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $27. And if the price then reaches there, then it can also break out this quite long-term resistance that we have around between $27 to $30 from this level. I will place this trend line here from approximately $27 to this level of $30. That can be a quite long-term resistance level. You can see that previously this level has been breaking as a resistance here, and support here, and resistance here, and support here. And before that, here it was breaking as a resistance. And in case of breaking out this level, we can expect that soon it can also hit the target for this breakout from this channel as well. And the target for this breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, that is between $80 to $100. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.